not so much an unboxing vid, but a video about the install of the King's 160 watt fixed solar panel, which is sitting over here, the wrong way up on the bench. So it's a big panel, and those little jobbies there are the King's mounting kits. So there's pre-drilled holes for them. You get 4 of them in the kit for an extra $10 or so, or however much it is. And that's pretty much all you get in both kits. You don't get complicated instructions, or any instructions for that matter, on how to do it. All you get is a warranty card. That's the cabling, and what we're going to do is change these over, extend the cables. So this one's the positive cable, that one's the negative cable. You can sort of see that, there it is. So we're going to cut those connectors off and extend it with some figure 8 cable, popper Anderson plug on the end. Excuse me. And once we've done that, mount it up on the roof. Right, here we go. So this is the newly installed 160 watt solar panel on the roof. That's a little mounting kit that they come supplied with. Had to get some sort of slightly longer bolts just to get down under the roof rack. The ones, or the roof bar rather, the ones that came supplied with it aren't sort of long enough. You can sort of see up in there, I've done a little bit of cutting and soldering and mucking around to get it down. It just comes down into there. And if we come around the other side of the car here, a bit rough at the moment, but it just comes up over there into that red one because it's unregulated, into the CTEC. Batteries have got the fridge sitting on it at the moment, and if I can just get down into here, you can see that it's, well, you can't really see, but it's got 12.3 volts battery level, with this big 95 litre fridge plugged in and turned on. And at the moment, we won't be able to see that either, but the temperature over there is about 2 degrees. So that's pretty much the 12 volt install done. Pretty happy with it. I'll just leave this on for a couple of days and see how it goes, and then if I'm happy with it, I'll tidy it all up and leave it on there. The good thing with it, because we've got that unregulated Anderson plug on it, I can pull it off if I need to put say the kayak or something else on. But yeah, so that's it. Interesting that it's, as I said, a pretty rubbish day, but it's holding that up at 12.3 volts. So yeah, interesting. So $100 might be worth it.